great news for those of you using the Dopamine Jailbreak. Do you remember Dopamine Jailbreak? This is the latest reliable jailbreak, full jailbreak released for iOS, and this just got a brand new update. As you probably know, the Dopamine Jailbreak is completely open source, and recently we got a brand new update. Nobody would have expected that because Dopamine is quite old at this point, supporting at most 16.6.1. But yes, we got the Dopamine version 2.4.6, and this one adds the ability to have the device display a boot logo during user space reboots, so this can now be customized. It fixes the issue that previously broke iOS 15 ARM64 support when compiling libjailbreak with compiler optimizations, enable compiler optimizations for libjailbreak again, and fix a table alignment bug in pmap map-in that would never be triggered in practice unless the developer called it themselves, which address is not aligned to L2 boundaries. And several optimizations have been made to make re-jailbreaking and user space rebooting slightly faster. This video is brought to you by Rayboot, a software that allows you to easily fix several issues on your iOS device. For example, stuck on Apple logo, iPhone 1 turn on, frozen screen, boot loop caused by a failed update or jailbreak tweak and so on, battery drain and so on. Definitely check the program out below. It can fix more than 150 iOS issues and it's available for both Windows and Mac OS. Check it out in the link below. So it's a brand new update. It comes with some brand new fixes, but also with a nice customization feature. So definitely get the IPA or TIPA file below. Now this of course can be installed with TrollStore if you prefer to do so, and this way you don't have to resign it every 7 days. Since of course TrollStore is available on iOS 16, you can install this with no problem. Definitely get the brand new update for Dopamine. Now of course, as you know, the Dopamine jailbreak is the last jailbreak to be released on iOS that is a full jailbreak in the real sense of it. We got NathanLR, which does support iOS 17.0, but that's a semi-jailbreak. This one is a complete jailbreak, a rootless jailbreak nonetheless, but it's a complete jailbreak coming with Cilio and Zebra, and as I said, it's completely open source. This jailbreak is for newer devices as well, supporting A16 as well as M1 and M2, and of course anything lower down to A8. So a large variety of iOS versions as well as devices are supported by the Dopamine jailbreak. So definitely get your 2.4.6 update down below. That's basically it. Thank you for watching. Till the next time, subscribe to stay updated. I am GS Now. Peace out.